Hey guys, in this video, I will guide you through how you can add Amazon Prime Store card to your account. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First of all, open up your preferred browser and go to your Amazon account. Once you're on the home page, you will find the account and list option in the top right corner. So give it a tap and a drop-down menu will appear. And from there, click on your account option. Now within your account settings, look for the Your Payments option. Click on it and you will be directed to a page where you can manage your payment methods. Here, tap on Add Payment Method and all payment options will be displayed here. If you don't have an Amazon Store card yet, this is also the place where you can apply for one. If you're adding an existing Amazon Store card, navigate to Add Credit or Debit Card options. This step is crucial for inputting the required information, so you will be prompted to enter your Amazon Store card details, including the card number, your name as it appears on the card, expiration date, and the security code. Once you fill in all the required fields, it's time to confirm and save. Locate the other card or similar option and give it a tap. Then Amazon may ask for additional verification, like sending a confirmation code to your email or phone. So just follow through with any additional steps. And that's it. Your Amazon Store card is now successfully added to your account. You can find it listed among your payment options. So that's basically how you can add Amazon Prime Store card to your account. So that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this big thumbs up. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.